Hi, my name is Chaudhary and I'm here to represent Kohinoor Ribbon Factory in Mayapuri. We are a leading trims and label manufacturer. We deal in all sorts of products from labels, tags, heat transfers, packaging needs, etc. And I'm here to talk about the Ricoh machine that we bought from Monotech. It's a 5-color machine which is 4+1, and the 5th color is a special color where you can vary from silver, gold to neon pink. And the machine is really good, and the good part about the machine is that it's very good when it comes to getting typical color results, matching typical Pantone colors, which is very hard to get from digital printing machines. And another good thing about this machine is that its paper size that it takes is quite versatile, which you usually do not get from digital printing machines. And yes, so far we've been using the machine for about a year now, and we've had no complaints so far. And if we've had some, the company's been really good in dealing with them and have prompt service and sent their engineers in a day and dealt with all our issues. Thank you.